Alright, so we're at the Neat Fair, upstate New York, and I've been asked multiple times for a comparison video of the Cirrus versus the Bristell. So, right off the bat, if you're looking at the Bristell, it's a bigger plane. It's a much bigger plane. Now, this Bristell has a black canopy on it, because I have a head tracker, FPV, gimbal, and setup in there, so I painted the canopy black because I used a different canopy for it. So normally it has a yellow canopy. But you could just see the wing cord is much wider on the Bristell compared to the Cirrus. The fuselage is much bigger compared to the Cirrus, and I'll put them side by side for you, just so you can kind of see the difference here. Alright, so there you go. You can see right off the bat how much bigger the Bristell fuselage is. And then you can also see side by side on the wing cord the difference in the width. The Bristell wing covers the Cirrus wing cord. As far as landing gear goes, it's pretty much the same. And as far as the quality of the Bristell versus the Cirrus goes, I think the Bristell has a little bit better quality. I think the landing lights and the LEDs on the Bristell are much clearer and nicer. Yes, it is a more expensive plane, but it is also a bigger plane. So there you have it. That is the Cirrus versus the Bristell. Alright, so real quick, just wanted to do the official specs and comparison of the Bristell versus the Cirrus. So here we have it. The price, Bristell is $439 versus the Cirrus $299. The Bristell is a little bit more expensive, but as you saw, it is a bigger plane. Fuselage size is 1151 millimeters versus 991 millimeters for the Cirrus. Motor size is a 35-48 800 kV for the Bristell versus a 10 size brushless. That's how Eflite lists their motors. They list them by sizes like that, and then an 800 kV. So it's a 10 size brushless 800 kV motor. ESC for the Bristell is a 50 amp Kavan ESC, and the ESC for the Cirrus is a Avion 60 amp. Prop size on the Bristell is a 10 by 6 3 blade, and the prop size for the Cirrus is an 11 by 7.5 3 blade. The prop size on the Bristell, it's a little bit smaller. The Bristell's a little bit faster than the Cirrus is. And then the battery size is a 4S 2600 to 3300 for the Bristell, while the Cirrus is a 3S or 4S 2200 to 3200. The Cirrus does fly on 3S or 4S, while the Bristell is only a 4S plane. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. I hope this has provided you with some good information.